Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a HP Envy Photo 6230. And this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make any of the button presses I do very clear, so you can follow these steps regardless of what language your printer is in currently, what language you'd like it changed to. So, to get ourselves started, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, the home button will be lit on the top left hand side here, so press that to be taken here. So we need to go into setup, which we do by pressing that one there with the cog on it, and then we need to go into preferences, which is the very top option. And as you can see, language is the top option there. So we press to go into there, and you have a full list you can navigate to find the language you require. Then just click on it, confirm, and you're good to go. Now, I hope you found this short video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.